Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Dakota in the Village in Dallas, Texas. This is this is one of about 18 or so communities in the Village. The Dakota is one of the best. People love the Dakota because it's more private, it's gated, and it's just beautiful. It's just very, very popular, especially my female clients love the Dakota. So let's go walk through and see two things about this that I think you're gonna like, actually three. So first of all, we saw the living room and the kitchen already, but you do have actually two of these patios. Two, and this is, look how massive this is. Massive patio out here. This is just, I mean, you've got so much space. You could have two tables out here. So massive, massive patio. That's one of them. There's a, actually, you know what? I think that I told you a fib because that's actually just the one. That's it. There's just the one out there, not the two, but it's so massive it seems like two. But now let's walk into the bedrooms. So the bedrooms are here. The bedroom is really, really great. And you've got a